Hey there, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add images to a Google spreadsheet so that when you're using Shareables, it's really easy to have them display. All right, in your spreadsheet, you'll have a column for your images. And so to use images inside Shareables, you need to have a link. And if you don't have a place to host them publicly, the best way to do it is go to Google Drive, create a new folder. And then after you've created a new folder, you'll have something like this. So let's grab one of our images that we want to add. So I've downloaded this image here, and I'm going to drop this in here to upload. Okay, great. Our image is now uploaded. So what I need to do now is then come up here to our folder and hit share, and then click share again. This pop-up will appear. What you want to do is change general access to anyone with the link. And then once that's done, any images that you add into here will be publicly accessible so that you can put them into your shareables like so. What you then do is go to your image, press the three dots, and then head down to share and copy link. Head back to your spreadsheet, and we're going to paste this link in here. And so if we head back to Shareables and refresh the preview is refreshed, and as you can see, our image has appeared from Google Drive. It's that simple. So all you need to do as a recap is upload your images into one folder, make sure the sharing permissions are public, and then grab each of those links and add them back in here. Super simple. Also, a quick tip, you can also create image carousels in Shareables. So all you need to do is find where you have your image link, just add a little comma, and then add the second link and the third link and fourth link and so forth. Once that's done, if we head back to Shareables and press refresh preview, you will see that down here, we've got this little button here so you can actually see the different images. And then if we click in, we see the different images that this item is using. Super simple.